Hello kids! It's time to learn the construction vehicles' names. So, let's start. What is this? An excavator. What is this? A crane. Cranes in construction are used to lift or lower objects and move them horizontally. What is this? A cement truck. They carry ready-mixed concrete to building or construction sites. What is this? A garbage truck. A garbage truck is a truck specially designed to collect municipal solid waste and transport it to a solid waste treatment facility, such as a landfill, recycling center, or transfer station. What is this? A road roller. Road roller or compactor is a type of engineering vehicle that commonly used to compact soil, gravel, concrete, asphalt or other materials in road construction, airport or port foundation work, at landfills or in agriculture. What is this? A bulldozer. Bulldozers are strong machines that mainly assist with pushing, digging, excavating, and leveling materials like soil and debris at a work site. Hooray, you are learning very fast! Kids, hope you like the video. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.